Welcome to Studio Lab, FAC's creative studio for artists, technologists, and curious minds working with digital tools and ideas in the heart of Liverpool.
This is a space designed by artists for artists, where experimentation, play, and collaboration come together to spark new ways of thinking and making.
Whether you're just starting out or deep into your practice, Studio Lab gives you access to high-spec kit, flexible workspaces, and a community of people exploring what it means to create with technology today.
We've got everything from VR headsets and motion capture kits, 3D printers and scanners, and pro-level film and sound gear.
You can edit, mix, and export your work in our sound and video suites, or dive into our digital library. It's packed with high-spec PCs running on a wide range of professional software.
You don't need to be a tech expert to get started. Just bring your ideas, your curiosity, and we'll help with the rest. As a member of Studio Lab, you get full access to all our spaces and equipment, plus loads of support to grow your practice.
So think mentoring, skills workshop, feedback sessions, and fun socials. Memberships start from just £50 a month, and joining is super simple.
If you're curious, come and see it for yourself. Book a free tour, meet the team, check out the tech. No pressure, no jargon, just a good chat and a great space.